I said thin soup, not tin soup.
Can your pronunciation change meaning? Yes! Yes!
For TH, your tongue gently comes between your teeth. Push air out slowly. No voice, only air.
Think, thin, think.
For T, your tongue quickly taps behind the teeth. Air stops suddenly. Tin, tick, tree. Check your tongue. If I can't see your tongue, you are probably saying T. Thin, tin, tin.
Think, tink, think, tink.
Tree. Tin. Thin, tin. Think, tink. Think, tink.
Thick.
Three. Three thieves think. Thin thinkers talk. Let's train your TH sound with a tongue twister. Thin. Let's start small. Put your tongue lightly between your teeth. Push air out, no bite.
Thin thieves thought. Thin thieves thought thoroughly.
Thin thieves thought thoroughly through their thieving plans.
Thin thieves thought thoroughly through their thieving plans.
Nailed it? Repeat after me 5 times. Thin, tin. Think. Thick, tick. A thing, ting. Three, tree. Say this 3 times fast. Thin thieves think thick thoughts. Record your practice and listen carefully to your tongue placement. Which word is hardest for you? Save this video and follow for more fluent English.